If Silicon Valley were easy to recreate, it would have been done multiple times over by now. It's not easy because it is rooted in a particularly fertile place with historical events that counterintuitively provided just the right nutrients to the soil to make it grow and keep growing. It is difficult to transplant the valley because to do so means embracing a business culture and strategy that applauds and encourages failure. Think failed startups. That doesn't strive for normalcy, that eschews hierarchy. Goodbye, corporate vice presidents. And that succeeds through a form of immersion implementation that is difficult and takes visionary leadership, not middle management, to achieve. Great ideas grow in the valley like weeds in a garden, but great ideas are not enough. You have to be creative, take risks, and continue to develop and perfect your ideas and products. Mickey Mouse, for example, was the creation of a talented artist, but that artist could do very much more than draw. He could create and, more importantly, implement on a very large scale. Walt Disney, the creator of Mickey Mouse, also created Disneyland and Disney World, full immersion environments that serve to transport the observer or participant to another world, down to the manhole covers used in the Magic Kingdom that are different in design than the ones you see on the street. If you want a model for a tech product, you would do well to spend time in Disneyland. Steve Jobs did, and it is clear it made an impact. In my talk, Innovation by Design, How Silicon Valley Creates and Sustains an Innovation Practice and Culture, we take a deep dive into the fertile history of the Silicon Valley with specific examples that highlight the total immersion culture that makes success more possible and explains the deep connection between Steve Jobs, Walt Disney, and why it matters. There are many design approaches one could take. This presentation looks at 3 of them in practice at places like Netflix and Samsara, and highlights work at Stanford University that has been so influential in this field. Design approaches are very trendy and are often suspect. How does an approach succeed in one place but fail at another? There can be many reasons, of course, but principal among them is that the thing you build is not the solution needed. Your approach to building was okay, you just built the wrong thing. But how do you avoid doing that? In my talk, Innovation by Design, we learn more about how Silicon Valley continues to grow and produce some of the most innovative products on the planet. And more importantly, how your company can move toward achieving Valley level results. I hope you enjoy my talk. Thank you very much.